If you're planning for a successful retirement, one thing you'll likely hear over and over is how important it is to have a diversified portfolio. But what does diversification really mean for you as an American retiree? And why is it so critical to your long-term financial health? Well, today, we're diving into the answer to these questions and showing you how a diversified retirement portfolio can protect your wealth for years to come. Now, let's be real. A common mistake retirees make is keeping all their savings in one place, like a 401k or traditional IRA. It's simple, right? But here's the catch. If you've got all your eggs in one basket, you're leaving yourself exposed to market volatility, inflation, and even potential economic crises. That's where diversification steps in. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you're helping to protect your wealth from the ups and downs of any one market. Think of it like having multiple streams of income, each with its own growth potential, each reacting differently to market changes. One of those streams should definitely be precious metals, gold IRAs in particular. They provide stability when other markets are taking a hit. So, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free guide and learn why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to shield their retirement funds. Now, you might be asking, why should you diversify? It's not just about spreading the risk, it's about growth too. By adding a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and yes, gold, you're not only protecting your wealth, you're also positioning yourself for growth opportunities in multiple areas. If one investment class underperforms, the others can help balance things out. But here's where it gets really interesting. Most Americans aren't aware of the potential of a gold IRA. While traditional IRAs and stocks are commonly used for retirement savings, gold IRAs are an incredible option that can help protect you against inflation and the volatility of paper assets. Gold has a long history of holding its value, even when the stock market crashes or the economy takes a downturn. This is one of the most crucial pieces of a diversified retirement portfolio, especially for those of you with larger savings. And let's not forget about bonds. While they can offer steady returns, they won't provide the same protection from inflation or growth potential as something like gold. So, if you're relying on bonds alone for your retirement, you might find yourself falling short when those inflation rates rise. The beauty of diversification is that it helps you maintain a healthy balance, a mix of high-risk, high-reward investments and low-risk, stable assets. It allows you to weather the storm in tough times while still positioning yourself for growth when things are going well. But let's talk about what happens if you don't diversify. You could end up with a portfolio that looks great when the markets are booming, but in the case of a downturn, you might watch your hard-earned savings get wiped out in the blink of an eye. And that's a reality too many retirees face. This is why, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, you should seriously consider adding gold IRAs to your strategy. It's a proven way to shield your wealth from economic uncertainty, and it's something that's becoming increasingly popular among American retirees. So, if you're ready to take the next step in securing your future, and you're serious about protecting your wealth with a diversified portfolio, make sure to check out the free Gold IRA guide by clicking the first link in the description. At the end of the day, a diversified retirement portfolio isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for your long-term success. It's about making smart decisions today that will help you live comfortably tomorrow. And when it comes to protecting your wealth, there's no better way to diversify than with a gold IRA. If you've got over 100Ks in your IRA or 401k or even 5M plus in savings, this is the perfect strategy for you. So don't wait, click the link, get your free guide, and let's take action towards securing your retirement today.